Welcome, students, all of you. How are you, all of you? I hope all are fine. Students, myself Hina Ghazali ma'am. Today I am going to teach you the second chapter of geography. The name of the second chapter is location and extent. In previous classes we have learned about the location and extent, but in this chapter you are going to find that on page number 9 the two flags are given. Okay, one flag is of Indian, one flag is of India. So first of all, we are going to discuss all about the India. India is the second largest populated country in the world. The capital of India is New Delhi. It is famous for the India is famous for its spices. And you know what? There are total 29 states are there in 29 states are there in India, and the southernmost tip of India is known as the Indira Point, and it is located in 6 degree 45 minutes north parallel. And you know what? After that, it is said that okay, in India, India got independence from British rule on 15 August 1947, and now the India is enjoying a republic type of government. Okay, now also the India is a developing country. It is not a developed country. India is located in northern and eastern hemisphere. Okay, like that. This is what in this chapter it is about India, and you can see the Brazil also in Brazil. The capital of Brazil is Brasilia, and Brazil is famous for its samba dance. Okay, Brazil is also known as a coffee pot in the world, and Brazil get independence from Portuguese rule on 7 September 1822. Brazil also enjoying now the republic type of government. India and Brazil is enjoying the same type of government. This is a common point in between. Brazil is located in southern hemisphere. Student, in this chapter there are many points are reduced. You can see I had at the corner I had written the chapter reduce point according to page number. That maps and then tables and points are reduced in the lesson. Okay, with the help I had tried my best to explain you the chapter with the help of the tree diagram, so that it will be easy for you to understand with the two countries location and extent and its specialities. Student, at last you can see the point, the Tropic of Cancer. You know what Tropic of Cancer? Tropic of Cancer is an important